Welcome to SCOTTPATRIC Beauty. I've got a very special guest. It is Ashley Harris. She's gorgeous, and we are going to do a fabulous jewel-toned eye with a beautiful Pat McGrath lip in the end that just sets the whole thing off, and it is a wonderful holiday makeup, so thank you for watching.
Vogue it. Love it.
So we're going to use some gorgeous foundation. My favorite for you right now is the Luminous Silk from L'Oreal. It is a beautiful, kind of creamy foundation, and it is the perfect color. So I use a damp sponge, and that way I press it, it marries the skin, it doesn't lay on top of the skin. And you pat, 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 pat.
Pat, 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 pat. It's like, don't be gloomy, get noomy. Don't be gloomy.
Is Violet Voss Vibes, another super pigmented color that makes me bananas.
Oh my god. Look at that, it looks so fun. Ah! That is so
right?
cool.
Okay.
You think I've never seen makeup before, that's really cool. It's a reality. You are what you think, for sure. You can speak, manifest, I'm all about that.
I'm all about that. It's
Yeah.
all about clearly thinking where you want to go and how you want to do it and visualizing it in your head, and it puts it out into the, universe.
Totally.
That's beautiful. You know what else is beautiful? This pink against the brown of your eye pulls out a little bit of green. You see?
Oh yeah. Yes, natural eyes. These are my natural eyes.
These are natural eyes. They're naturally
Your
beautiful.
eyes are gorgeous. Love the eyes, darling. Love all of these.
Gorgeous Christian Dior. Wow. This is life.
I feel delicious.
You look delicious. Bronze Mania from Armani. It's gorgeous, gorgeous deep color.
Wow. Bronze Mania. That's beautiful.
You're beautiful.
You stop that.
I can't stop it. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
So it's just a beautiful deep contour color.
That's lovely. I love how all the makeup feels. It's very light. Go ahead, Armani. I see ya.
Wow. Really pretty.
Am I blushing?
You are blushing straight to the disco.
Oh yeah. Let's do it. I'm down. That's gorgeous.
You're gorgeous.
And it's not too much. It's just like
No. It just pulls it.
cheekbones for days, darling. Cheekbones for days. Love it.
I love you.
I love you too.
Now we're going to use a little bit of the Rosemary Swift Living Luminizer.
That looks dangerous. That looks so dangerous. And I'm all about it.
I can handle it.
Yes. Whoa, look at that. What just happened? That's fantastic.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
Wow.
So pretty.
Did you ever have a favorite challenge on the show that you were just so excited about?
You know, I
So
always
many.
loved the couture challenges.
Yeah.
I just always did, and I always got so excited about the makeup.
Yeah.
And I mean, I could really go to to wonderful places. I would use, you know, black electrical tape for eyebrows on you girls. And then, you know, the makeup would go into like 3D land with construction paper. And I would go to Staples and I would buy dots and, you know, cover a face with dots. And they were always my favorite challenges, because then we would take your faces and we would make them into canvases, real canvases, and go to beautiful, beautiful places. And I remember there was one challenge where I think there were beautiful, beautiful like rhinestones or sequins going up like that. And we took the same sequins and just, you know, went up and added into the face, and it just made it beautiful. And I was so proud always.
You're like, that's me, that's my work. Too cool. Yeah, the creativity was like endless.
That's the thing that you learn, is your creativity can be endless if you don't put a capper on it. Right. Your dreams are as far as you want to take them.
You better preach.
You know, these are all the things that I've been picking up all along.
Totally.
You look lovely, Ashley.
Thank you. You did it. It's all you.
Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
That's beautiful.
We need a gorgeous mascara, and that is Benefit the Real. Do the honors.
Why, thank you.
Pretty. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay. So we've got this gorgeous holiday eye that I love. Wowzy. And now I'm going to top it off with a beautiful Pat McGrath lip. It is Blitz Trance. It is called Flesh. It's in the Salvador Dali packaging, which is heaven.
That's awesome.
It's gorgeous.
Go ahead, Pat. That's my girl.
Go ahead, Ashley. You're my girl. And it is a beautiful, beautiful berry color. Oh, it's heaven on you. It's gorgeous. Give it a go.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, wow.
Oh. Beautiful.
That is gorgeous. Wow.
You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
Let's give some extra love to that bow.
Oh yes, the bow. Can't forget the bow. Feel great. I'd like to thank SCOTTPATRIC, and I'd like to thank Pat.
Wow.
Look at that shimmer.
Ashley.
That's so cool. This is amazing. That lunar glow. I just love this that.
Me too. That's that Rosemary
So-
Swift Living Luminizer.
Look
so
at
beautiful.
look! Did you just that reflection?
No, I missed it.
That reflection.
Yes, I see it. And
Oh
it's
my
gorgeous.
goodness.
It's all gorgeous.
I love it.
Those eyes are beautiful. I love, love, love your makeup.
It's
and I
magic.
love that lip. So this has been SCOTTPATRIC Beauty with my good friend Ashley Harris, and thank you for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.